Ka Indian Youth Congress haka singin kong kalapan bana bakan pynlong da ka iakob kren paidbah nagbenta kinong shnong jokari halor ki babon ki issue bakta ya ka imlang salang hapapan bana ya kane ugorof jeng national spokesperson jangka Indian Youth Congress ula ongru baki paidbah Meghalaya kila ban shem benta hakate ka lympung da ka bapha ya ki video jangki haka link ka balabo khnang nagbenta kate ka iakob nakaliang ka General Secretary ka Meghalaya Youth Congress ka kong lakan tiu soklan kalayat ho baginong shimbanta kila ban kren hakaktin najong.
It's a platform to give a voice to the people, to the youngsters who are not being able to raise their voices against anyone, whatever wrong is happening in the country. Right now, what we are seeing is anytime you raise a voice against the government, against any institution, you're branded as anti-national, you're branded as anti-government, you're branded as anything. But we all know that it's a fundamental right to raise our voices, to criticize the government. It's a fundamental right. Even like 40 years back on this date, we had this landmark judgment of Keshavanand Bharti in which Supreme Court affirmed that freedom of speech is a constitutional right which cannot be overridden by anyone. But what we are seeing right now we have an MLA an elected MLA, like people who had been chosen by the people, but for a single tweet he has been arrested by the Assam police. So imagine if the MLA is going through such hardship, what is going on with the other activists, with the students, with the other leaders. So that's why we are trying to provide a platform to anyone who wants to raise their voice, who feels like he's not been heard. So through this program, we'll be launching this program called Young India Ke Bol, through which there will be district level competition, through which there will be state level competition, and through which we will choose a national spokesperson who will go on TV debates, who will represent our party, who will represent our ideology. And we are focusing on regional languages. What we are seeing right now is there's a program going on for the Hindi hegemony in the country. Even though we all understand Hindi, we all understand the significance of Hindi, but we believe that you cannot impose any language on the people without their will. But right now, the present government, the present ruling government in the center as well as in the state, they are imposing a single structure, a single language, which I don't feel is good for the unity of the country. So that's why we are launching this program in English, and we're focusing on regional languages as well, so that people can raise their voice, people can raise their voice of dissent, and people can raise whatever they feel the government is doing wrong or whatever they feel the government is doing right.